As a medical professional, you know how important it is to stay up to date on the latest trends, research, and best practices in your field. That's why becoming a member of the Emirates Society of Emergency Medicine is such a valuable opportunity. As a member of the Society, you'll have access to a community of like-minded professionals, all dedicated to improving emergency medicine in the UAE. You'll get exclusive access to events, training sessions, and other opportunities to learn and grow in your field. So, how do you join? It's easy. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Go to Emirates Medical Association website. And then click on Membership. Step 2, in the membership menu, click on the first option for How to Apply and Renew. Step 3, in the How to Apply menu, click on Register with us. Now, start filling in your basic details. In the Community Details section, there's an option to choose the Emirates Society of Emergency Medicine as your primary society. Fill in the rest of your details, your contact information, attach any required documents, and then click on Pay Now. Your application will be reviewed, and your membership will be successfully allotted. You can find the membership fees details on the website. We look forward to welcoming you to our community of like-minded professionals, all dedicated to improving emergency medicine in the UAE. Let's grow together and positively impact the lives of those in need.